Hey y'all, it's Crystal of MrsHappyHomemaker.com, and I wanted to show you how I make my favorite homemade cranberry sauce. Now, some people with cranberry sauce, they're very particular. Some people like only the canned stuff that, you take out the can and it has the indentations and you slice them along the lines and you have little jellied cranberry slices. Some people don't do cranberry sauce at all. That's everybody in my household but me. And some people only do homemade cranberry sauce. So I'm going to show you how I make my favorite cranberry sauce. So I've got me a pot here on medium heat, and to this pot I'm going to add a half a cup of white sugar and a half a cup of brown sugar and 1 cup of orange juice. I'm going to whisk it together. And I'm just going to cook this and whisk it occasionally until all the sugar is dissolved. So all my sugar has dissolved, and I'm going to add a 12-ounce bag of fresh cranberries to this mixture. So I'm just going to cook this on medium heat for about 10 to 15 minutes until the cranberries start popping. I'm going to stir it every once in a while. So my cranberries all popped away, and I have turned off the heat to this pot. And I'm going to let the cranberry sauce cool down. And as it cools down, it's going to thicken up. And also, once it cools down a little bit more, I'm going to add some pecans that I roasted a little bit ago. Yum. If you don't like nuts, you don't have to add the pecans to the cranberry sauce. I happen to really love the extra dimension to flavor when you add the toasted pecans to the cranberry sauce. So I add them, and heck, in this household is only me eating this cranberry sauce, and yes, I ate the whole pot. So my cranberry sauce has thickened up, and I am going to add these pecans that I toasted up a little bit ago, and stir all those in. If you can see that. Yummy. I'm going to put this into a separate container, pop it in the refrigerator, and I'll show it to you again once it's nice and chilled and ready to eat. So the cranberry sauce has chilled and it has thickened up. Oh, beautiful. I have got it in my serving dish, which is basically going to be my bowl because I'm the only one that likes it. So cheers.